Perhaps we have been playing with to come today, always somewhere. So this is configure our RIP routing on a network. So this is the addressing table. We have R1, R2, and 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. So this is the topology. Our objectives for today is configuring our IP on routers, verify the configuration, examine our IP parameters, check connectivity, then examine the routing IP table. So for the first one, from the CLI tab, enter the privilege exit mode by issuing the enable command. Dito muna tayo sa router 1. Bullshit. Baban lang natin na para mapilit natin siya. So sa CLI tayo. Ero config t the router rip in router you need to specify the network that are directly connected. So we will go to network 192.168.1.0, then another one, but it will be 2.0. Let's see, 28%. Exit the configuration. Save the configuration kasi by isa pa. Copy, run, start. Copy, run, and start. Okay. Try natin yan. Okay. Pupunta naman tayo sa R2. Babarin natin. Okay. Go to the same thing. And config t router RIP network 192.16.1.0, then do the same thing here. Magiging 2.0 siya, no? Yan. Then and copy, run, start. 42%, so we'll go here sa 3. Then we'll do the same thing. And config the router RIP, then network 192.168.1.0, then do the same thing. It will be 2.0. There you go. Then end command, then copy, run, start. Yep. So 42% pa rin, no? PC2, sa PC2 tayo. So, 192.168.310, 255.255.0, 3.1. So, mag-check tayo ng result. Yan natin, advance yan. Check result. Route 1. Oo nga eh. Ito yung ginamit natin sa router 1. Ito siya. 1.0. 2.0. Sa kanya 2.0. Then 4.0. My bad. Ganun ulit. Router. Rip. Tignan natin. Okay, then 4.0, 3.0. So, ano siya, 5.0, 5.0, 4.0. So, ganun siya. So, my bad about that. That po, 4.0, 5.0. Let's check. Oh, 100%.